So guys, have you ever been stuck in a room where there's no flow and the dead phone tree? It's not just uncomfortable, it's frustrating, especially when you need to stay cool and connected. Well guys, that's where the Lontor Tech fan pulse into me. See by high guys to straighten with comfort and gain full battery. It's a located devices, provides a professional break, oh my god. While also charging your phone all in one sleek and portable package that with long lasting battery and versatile functionality is the ultimate solution for staying cool and connected wherever you go, seeing you to comfort, convenience with a lot of fun. Hello everyone, today I'm super excited you can use the Lontor Tech fan with phone charger. This is the game changer for staying cool and connected wherever you are at home, in the office or on the move. Well guys, first of all, let's talk about the design. It has a sleek and stylish with a super compact, so it fits perfectly for on the table. You can go and it's perfectly for on the table, on the chair. If that's you thinking of maybe probably of it tipping off. But the best part of it, guys, that this fan is it has a full charger. It's a built-in USB port. You can charge your phone while you enjoy the reflection things is that. And speaking of breeze, this fan has 3 levels, so you can customize the airflow to your liking, because it has a 1500 mAh. Now lasts up to 32 hours on a single charge. So you can stay all day charge. You can stay cool all day long. But wait, there's more guys. The scope is the LED light, a 12 SND box. Perfect for into extra illumination way with it. So if you are tired of sweating it out on the heat and constantly searching for an outlet to charge your phone, do yourself a favor and grab your portable or Lontor portable stay fan with phone charger. You won't get into guys, trust me. And hey guys, if you want to stay cool and connected and comfortable wherever you go, click the link in the description below to get yours today. And don't miss out guys, stay cool with Lontor. So guys, this is the Lontor Tech fan. We at the button, this is the leg where you press for the lights. This way you can different level of fan for first level, second level and third level. 10th level I think is the highest. So guys, if spam using, you can charge it. This is it. Here's how it looks like. So get yours now, it doesn't be screen. Bye for
Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel.